Hello everyone, this is Suraj Ramesh, Product Manager for OCI Full Stack DR. This is the third video as part of our video series of integrating Oracle PeopleSoft application with Full Stack DR. In the first video, Vinay Shivana showed you how to set up DR for PeopleSoft application across two OCI regions. In the second video, I went through the details of how we can easily integrate Full Stack DR with PeopleSoft application across two OCI regions, in which we have went through the entire life cycle of operations like creating disaster recovery protection group, adding members, creating and customizing secure and failover plan, run pre-checks and perform the actual plan execution. In this video, I'll briefly explain about the various user-defined scripts which we have used in the second video. In case if you haven't seen those two videos, I highly recommend to watch those and then come back to this video. First, let's verify the switchover and failover plan, and from there we can see what user-defined groups we have used. So I'm in the Phoenix region. This is the switchover plan which we have created in the second video. Here we have 6 user-defined plan groups. Stop PeopleSoft application at the Ashburn region, disable rsync cron jobs at Ashburn region, start PeopleSoft application at Phoenix region, start Elasticsearch at Phoenix region, start Kibana at Phoenix region, and enable rsync jobs at the Phoenix region. Similarly, we'll verify the user-defined plan groups for the failover plan which we have created in the Ashburn region. We have used the same scripts here. The only difference is we are starting all the applications at the Ashburn region or the new primary region. The user-defined scripts which we have used as part of this demo is made available in the Oracle Samples Full Stack Disaster Recovery GitHub repo. We have created a folder called Full Stack DR Oracle Apps, and underneath we have a folder called PeopleSoft Non-Moving Scripts. All the scripts which we have used as part of the switchover and failover plan has been documented here, and the scripts are made available. The scripts which you have used for generic guidance, and please reuse it according to your corporate policy requirement. The user-defined scripts which you have used is predominantly categorized into the shutdown and the startup scripts. For the PeopleSoft, we have various components such as app servers, process scheduler servers, which is running in Linux and Windows, the web servers, as well as the app servers. So we'll go through various scripts one by one. So let's start with the app shutdown.sh. All this is used for this PeopleSoft administration uses psadmin command. Psadmin command is used to administer PeopleSoft servers such as application server, process scheduler, and search server through a command line interface. If you want more details about psadmin command, please refer to the PeopleSoft documentation page. So the app shutdown script uses psadmin command to shut down the application domain. Let's see the app boot up message. So this is basically the startup script. This again uses the psadmin command to boot the app domain for PeopleSoft. Now we will see the web server shutdown and the startup scripts. So the web shutdown sh script goes to the PeopleSoft admin command, and then it shutdowns the web server domain. Similarly, the web.boot sh script uses the psadmin command to start the web server domain. And the next script we will verify is the process scheduler for the Linux. So prcs-start.sh. So the script uses the psadmin command to start the process scheduler domain. And the prcs shutdown command shutdowns the process scheduler domain. So these two scripts are for the Linux process scheduler. For the Windows process scheduler, we have the shutdown domain.bat scripts. So this uses the psadmin command to stop the process scheduler domain. And we have a script for start domain for the Windows process scheduler. It uses the psadmin command to start the domain. And we have a script for disabling and enabling the rsync jobs, which is running in the various PeopleSoft servers. So by using this, we can disable and enable the rsync cron jobs. And then the next set of scripts are the elk kill and elk start.sh. Elk kill is the process of the various elk process. Then elk start.sh starts the various elk components. Similarly, kibana kill.sh stops the kibana services, and kibana start.sh start the various kibana components. So with this, we have seen all the user-defined scripts which we have used as part of the PeopleSoft integration with Full Stack DR. And again, as mentioned, these scripts are provided for our configuration which we have used for the single instance PeopleSoft, and this can vary depending on your PeopleSoft configuration which you have used. Thank you for watching.